A man is home alone, and suddenly he hears a strange noise coming from the kitchen. It sounds like someone is rustling through the cabinets. He grabs a broom and slowly approaches the kitchen, his heart pounding. The noise gets louder, and he's sure there's an intruder. He bursts into the kitchen, broom raised, ready to confront whoever or whatever is there. To his surprise, he sees his cat sitting on the counter, casually batting at a half-empty bag of chips that's making all the noise. The man sighs in relief and says, "Well, at least you didn't open the fridge this time.